Come on, Duramax, you got this. You know what's really nice about this tractor is I'm going to be able to back up right beside it with the tank. I don't have those huge duals hanging out, so that's nice. Oh yeah, it's like a Christmas tree. Alright guys, I got diesel going in the tractor. I'm putting Blue Def in right now. So my trailer, this is really a pain having these individual boxes. I believe the def tank on this tractor is about 25 gallons. The only reason I'm not using the bulk Blue Def on the trailer side this time is it's already empty, and I've actually traded this fill trailer off. I should have a new fill trailer in a couple days, and I'll be able to switch back to bulk Blue Def again. So it's a pain, but for the time being, I gotta do it. So I'm gonna get finished up here. The wind has pretty much changed out of the north. It's very breezy, very chilly. So it'll be nice sitting on a tractor all day. Full of fuel, almost full of Blue Def. Let's get this pickup out of the way, get all my stuff gathered out, get moved to the next field. every day you get to see deer, especially where I'm at. So when I first got to this field, it's 120 acres. It's basically a half circle, maybe a little more than a half circle. The pivot was facing directly east, and so I put it on 100% to try to get it moved all the way to one side. That didn't work out. I caught up with it, so I just moved over to the other side, started moving the sprinkler back into the plowed ground, as you can see. And now I've got, it shows I've got 30 acres left. It's not much. A few more rounds on the south side, and then I'll do all my ends. And then after I get finished here, I've got to go back to the barn, and I'm going to trade out the chisel plow for our blue disc, our Landoll. And then I got to move it to the 270 that I chiseled yesterday, and I need to disc it once to see what it looks like, if it's okay to plant, if it's a good enough seed bed. If not, I may have to disc that field twice. It was really wet when I plowed it yesterday, and usually those clods that you pull up, all that hard pan, they usually turn to solid rocks. So usually you have to disc it twice when it's that wet. It's just been a really rough year. It just didn't work out like usual. So they ran that sprinkler up until a frost, and then it turned off cool, and so you just got all that moisture underneath there. So anyways, catch you later. Just got back to the house. I'm gonna take the chisel rig off, and we're gonna put the blue disc on, and then head back over there to the 270. Alright, just made it to the field, folded this thing out. I'm going to grease all the discs and the treaders, and then these front wheels here. And then I'm going to leave everything else. It should be good. We just ran this thing. I just greased this thing a few months ago. It's going to take me a little while, and then we'll get started. Alright guys, I got going here. This is a Landoll. I think it's a 6250, and it's on 7-inch disc spacing. I chiseled this ground once yesterday, and I don't know how well y'all can see that, but I'm gonna be able to plant right behind this thing. It does a phenomenal job. And right now I'm down a gear. I'm running in 10th gear. It's been going about 6.5, 6.6. And I'm pushing 36 acres an hour, so I'm gonna be able to knock this out pretty quick. It's really not too bad. So hopefully hopefully I have enough energy to run all night. I got up at 4:30 this morning. I don't know why. My alarm was set for 5, but I ended up getting up way earlier than I wanted to. So yeah. Cheers. So I'm 74 acres in on this 270, and it started raining. If you look at the radar, it's this tiny little cloud, but it's coming down hard enough that the tractor's soaked. If I keep going, it's just gonna make a mess, so I'm gonna wait. 10, 15, 20 minutes. If it doesn't stop, I'm just gonna go home. Really disappointed because my oldest has a play tomorrow at 1, and I was really wanting to go, so I was really gonna try to finish this tonight. I was gonna stay on the tractor till probably 1, but I don't know if this will show up, but yeah.